Hi, I'm Dr. Thomas Armstrong, and today we're talking about Dr. Howard Gardner's theory of multiple intelligences. The idea that there's at least 8 and possibly even 9 intelligences that we all possess and that we can develop in our lives. In this video, I want to focus on a particular issue that has become very big in many countries around the world, and that is the issue of attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. This is a way of describing kids who have inattention, chronic chronic hyperactivity, chronic impulsivity, and in these ways they're having difficulty in school, maybe at home, remembering things, organizing themselves, and so on. And my feeling is that too much attention has been focused on the negatives with these kids. And if you're focusing so much attention on the negatives, it becomes harder to envision positive solutions. And using Gardner's model as one aspect of helping us think of solutions, we can understand that many of these kids, in fact, are body smart or bodily kinesthetically intelligent. They learn best by moving. They learn best by building things or touching things with their hands. They should be building dioramas in history. They should be acting out the roles that they are learning in the stories and the books that they're reading. They should be working with math manipulatives when they're learning mathematical concepts. They should be doing hands-on science experiments and designing, inventing in engineering class. By embracing the body and the hands-on experiences, these kids are going to have more opportunities to learn in the ways in which they most naturally learn. And the hope here is that the medication which is being used on these kids will not have to be used for many of these kids, and in some cases the dosages can be decreased because they'll have the opportunity to do the movement they need to do. For more information about the theory of multiple intelligences, see my books, 7 Kinds of Smart, Identifying and Developing Your Multiple Intelligences. That's for adult learners and high school and college students. My book, Multiple Intelligences in the Classroom. This is for the K-12 teacher. And In Their Own Way, Discovering and Encouraging Your Child's Multiple Intelligences. And this is designed specifically for parents. Thank you.